Hello everyone, future Java programmers. Welcome to the Coding Kids channel. I'm programming expert with more than 8 years of industry experience of the software engineering fields, and today we are diving into one of the fundamental concepts of Java programming, of variables. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Now let's get started with the basics. Alright, let's talk about variables. In Java, a variable is like a container that holds different type of data. Think of it as a label box where you can store information. Actually, there are different type of data, right? Numbers, decimal, text and more. Java has specific data types for each of these as an example. For example, if you want to store a whole number, you can use the int data type. For decimal numbers, it's a double. And if you are dealing with the text, it's a string. And here we will go into have some examples here how you declare a variable. And you can declare a variable like that int age and double price. In string what we are going to name string as a name. Yes, and once you declare a variable you can also give it a value. Actually we can call this as a initializing the variables. Yes, here you can give a value as age is 25 and price equal 150.45, then name equal John. Yes, we are going to a name equal our string. We will give it as a double quotation. So, then let's see some examples. Imagine we are writing a program to calculate the area of a rectangle. We'll do need a variable to store the length and width. You all know, right? Then we can see how we do that. Here's an example of how it might look. And we want to integer length. Length is we can assign same time to the value. Length equal 10. In width equal 5. Then we can define our area. It's int area equal length multiply width. It's a simple thing. And variables are like building the blocks in programming. They help us work with the data and make our program dynamic. You will use them for calculation, storing user inputs, and so much more. And this is our result. We can print our result and we can see what is the how its variable assigning is working. Area of rectangle. We are going to print area. Yes, this is a Spring Boot project. We are going to build Maven page, Maven, Maven clean package installed. Yes, Spring Boot project is building. It's very simple. Can practice it. Yes, project is building successfully. Then we are going to run the Spring Boot project. Maven Spring Boot run. Yes, here our result. Area of rectangle is 50. Then actually recap our conclusions. So to recap, variables are containers that store different type of data. We declare them with the specific data types. Then we can initialize them with a value. And that's just a tip of the iceberg. We have got a lot of more to cover in the world of Java programming. So stay tuned in the Coding with Kids channel. If you found this video helpful, give it to a thumbs up and recommend to subscribe for more tutorials. Don't hesitate to leave any questions in the comments below. Happy coding, and I'll see you next video in next time. Thank you for watching this video.